It's absolutely ideal. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Real Madrid, and they take on Arsenal.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Brozovic. Rafael Leao. Grimaldo. And he read it well defensively. Di Maria. Victor Osimhen. Eder Militao. Kulusevski. Bremer. Pepe. Parejo. Now Parejo. Arsenal pushing forward with options available. Alonso got it away. Possession one. Pele, very quick thinking there. Out of play and an Arsenal throw-in forthcoming. Well, a successful intervention, winning the ball back. And it will be a free kick to Real Madrid. Brozovic. He's taken on. Is it going to be? Just cutting off the supply. Di Maria. Martinez. Brozovic. So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Into the second half then. And these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. Victor Osimhen. Nabil Fekir. Rafael Leao. Well read to ease the pressure. Showing a real will to win the ball. Well, he was under a bit of stress, but back to the keeper. Brozovic. And into the last 30 minutes now. Osimhen. Kulusevski. Oh, big chance! And it's in! 1-0. They've breached the defence.
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he's still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
And they're making a change. Action underway once more. A wake-up call for the Real players, maybe. Can they find a response now? And he's in. And another one! 2 quick goals! Will it turn out to be the 2-punch knockout?
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
2-0 now, and back underway. And into the last 20 minutes. Went in strongly to win the ball. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Pele. Now Brozovic. Strong challenge from Beckham. Arsenal's free kick here. Substitution for Real Madrid. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. And failed to keep himself onside, unfortunately. Well, a really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. Straight at the goalkeeper then. The referee has decided there will be just 1 minute of added time. Rafael Leao. And the referee decides enough is enough. It's the end of the game. Arsenal victorious. That's the main headline from this one.
Well, Derek, it was fairly comfortable in the end because they were tactically superior, had better individuals, and were always a threat going forward. It was a really good performance and a good result as well.